Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, I will be telling you an overview on the SAP Analysis for Office with addition to SAP Analytics Cloud. So here I will give you a simple introduction like what is this SAP Analytics Cloud or features we have in SAP Analysis for Office. So SAP Analysis for Office that we call in AFO, and in AFO we have the integration kind of add-in that is the SAP Analytics Cloud. So if you have SAP Analytics Cloud running separately, as a front-end tool or planning tool, you can integrate the solution in the Excel. If you have user running on Excel, then you can integrate the model into Excel so that you can use the other Excel features in it and you can work on the workbook. So here you can see that this is my SAP Analytics Cloud tab, and if you go here you have an option called sign in and sign out. Sign in, when you click on the sign in, then it will ask for the HTTP link for the SAP Analytics Cloud, then you give it, and when you click on the go, then it will open your ID, your user for here. Then you have a multiple options like coming to this part like table. Here if you click on the add table, then it will access to your SAP Analytics Cloud models, and also if you have a data sphere in your uh, system, then it can also access data sphere data sets as well. Similarly, you can delete the table. Suppose you have added a table, then you want to remove it, you can remove by this. You have the option to copy table and paste table, so you can copy one table and paste it. And we have option of refreshing data, how we want to refresh it, like refresh all, refresh table. We have a option for creation of the prompt. Then coming to this is the one of the vital point for the planning. Suppose you have created some planning model, some data action in SAC. So let me show you here. Like if you just click on it, on a place, suppose I want to set one planning trigger here, then go to, and then you can see this is enabled, and click on it and add data action trigger. So by this you can actually add the planning data action here, and you can make your workbook, you can make the application development on the Excel as well. Then you have some option of display, like how you want to display it, sorting, collapse, expand, ranking, and some formatting option, and then some extra function on the formulas. And the designer is this page only, so here you can change the number of rows you want, number of column you want. You can do filtering as well. And the last one, we have the workbook preference. So here we have mainly the option how we want to refresh the workbook, like automatic or manual. That is all about this session. I just wanted to give you a basic feature overview how this look like and what are the facilities we have in SAP and the Cloud Edition. Thank you for watching.